unaingiza hivi, unaingiza, you first ingiza the pin, then unaingiza uzi. Unaona, unaingiza uzi kwa hii shimo hapa, then unavuruta hivi ndani iingie ndani, and you make sure that the uzi pia imepita kwa the shimo yenye ilikuwa kwa viatu hadi huko nje. And then after you've done that, after you've done that, unavuruta one part of the uzi, yeah, and then that's the first step. Then unaingiza tena uzi to another part, not uzi, unaingiza the pin. It's not as easy as you think, but it's very simple. And then unaingiza uzi kwa the kashimo here, yeah, then unapitisha ndani hivi. I don't know if you see, unapitisha ndani hivi, shapitisha ndani hivyo. This is what you do. Unachukua this one, like it's like this, then you bring this uzi here, unapitisha ndani, then unavuta huku ya nyuma ingie hivi. Ana, that's it. And then you repeat the same procedure to the remaining parts until your shoe is well mended, you know. Then after you've done that, yeah, then you repeat the same procedure with the shoe. Yeah, then you repeat the same thing. Una repeat, then unaingiza uzi hivi ndani, and you router the nyuma part and the front part, just like this. And your shoe is just well mended. Yeah, that's how you do it. So my camera is not clear, but I'll write the steps down there so that you can do it on your own. You know how to look for a cobbler. You can be a cobbler yourself. Yeah, guys, subscribe, like the video, and you can even unlike. You can put a thumbs down if you don't like the video, so that I may know whether it was good or it's bad. Yes.